Okay, ma'am. Good morning.
So good afternoon,
Good
class
morning, all
7
of
children. Good afternoon, class 7 children. So today, few of the children are left with the flip teaching. First of all, it will take the flip teaching of their children. After that, we'll continue with the revision of mock paper. So first is Pulkit Mathur. Continue with it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am doing the flip teaching of chapter 15, Light. The topic is experiment to show different spherical mirrors. What is spherical mirrors? Spherical mirrors a mirror with a surface that is either concave and convex and from a portion of true sphere. Spoon experiment to show types of spherical mirrors. Ma'am, there is a video of spherical mirror experiment. Ma'am, the voice is audible?
No.
We can't hear the video.
Now you can hear.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Hello everyone. Today I will explaining the difference and properties of spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirror. First, concave mirror and second, convex mirror. They both have different properties and I will explain you by doing an experiment. First, I have taken a spoon. The outer bulging side is concave mirror and the inner side is convex mirror. Results. When we see on outer side, our face is erect and smaller in the size. When we see in the inner side, our face is inverted and bigger in size. Hope you understand.
Today I'm going to explain you chapter 14, electric current and its effects. The heating effect of current. An electric current is passed through a conductor. The conductor becomes hot after some time and produces heat. Electric energy is converted into heat energy. Factors heating effect of the current depend on. Heating effect of the current is dependent on three factors. The resistance of the conductor, higher the resistance, more the heat generated. The time duration of the current flow, if the current flow for a longer time, the amount of energy generated is higher. Higher the flow of the current, the higher is the generation of heat. Real life examples. An iron heater. How does an electric bulb function? An electric bulb contains a thick metallic wire made up of tungsten metal. The metal is kept in an invert environment with a neutral gas or vacuum. When current flows through the tungsten wire, it becomes heated and emits light. Most of the electric power drawn in the circuit from the electrical source is dissipated in the form of heat, and the rest is emitted in the form of light energy. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sharul Bhatt and today I am going to do flip learning of chapter 15 light and my topic is light. So first we will discuss what is light. Light is the form of energy which can be detected by human eye. Now we will study path of light. The light always travels in a straight line. That is uh, according to the rectilinear propagation of light. Now we will study reflection of light. When the light strikes a polished surface, it comes back and it's reflected, which is also known as the reflection of light. Now we'll study causes of light. The ray of light that strikes the surface is called the incident ray, and the angle formed by this ray is known as the angle of incidence. And the ray which is reflected back is known as the reflected ray, and the angle formed by this ray is known as the angle of reflection. These both rays are always equal. Now we will study lateral inversion. The image that is front of the mirror undergo lateral inversion, which means the left appear right and right appear left, which is also known as the lateral inversion. For example, in the mirror, B will look like this and D will look like this. Now, I will be teaching you dispersion of light.
Okay, ma'am. So, Jessica Singhal going to do fifth learning on light, electromagnetic radiation that can be observed by the human eye. First, properties of light. Light always travel in a straight path. Fix a lighted candle on a table. Take a rubber tube, stretch it straight and look through it at the flame of the candle with one eye, keeping the other eye closed. See figure A. This is the figure A. We will find that when the rubber tube is straight, we can see the light of candle flame through it. Now bend the rubber tube a little and look through it at the candle flame again. This is the figure B.
Children, let's revise this mock paper. Question number 1 is in front of you. Change 54 kilometers into meters. Multiply by 1000 and 90 minutes into seconds. How you will do? Minutes into seconds. 90 multiply by 60. And then you have to find out the speed. Kindly find out the speed of the bus. Okay, children, first answer is 10 meter per second. And for each of the question, you had to mark for it. You have to solve the questions carefully. Okay, second is potato is stem. Already we had done. Number 3. Leela observed that a pond with clear water was covered up with a green alga within a week. By which method of reproduction did the alga spread so rapidly?
Fragmentation.
Yes, fragmentation. Yes, fine it is. So the answer is fragmentation. Good. Next, if we denote speed by s, distance by t, and time distance by d and time by t, the relationship between these quantities is. So children, you need to see that which relation is true. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance times. Check which one is the correct one.
Ma'am, is it the divide sign which is looking
Yes.
like a gap?
Yes, beta. Yes, it is.
Speed is equal to distance by time.
Ma'am,
So
A
that-
I'm option
Yes.
A. Option
Okay.
A.
Okay, Jayavardhan. Option A is true. Distance
Yes,
divide
ma'am.
by time. Okay. Next is number 5. Ovaries of different flowers may contain only one ovule, many ovule. Yes, Rajal. One to many, only 2 ovules.
One to many ovules.
One to many ovules. Okay, kindly scroll down. Next is number 6. Observe the figure given below. The time period of a simple pendulum is the time taken by it to travel from. Children, when we will be calculating a time period of a simple pendulum? When it will go A to B, back to A. Check it again.
Ma'am, B option.
O to A to B, B to A again. What about else? Anybody else want to give his or her ideas?
Yes,
About
ma'am. B option.
B option is correct. All are agreed. All are agreed with B option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Option A.
from A it would come to O. Ma'am, it is not mentioned over there. Ma'am, it would not straight go to B.
But it will be passing from O only. O is a
Yes, ma'am.
center position.
Ma'am,
Yes.
as O is the
Ma'am,
center one.
So no issues. We can consider B option. O to A to B, B to A again. Next, because first of all, the pendulum is at the rest position at the O position. Then you take it to the A. Then we continue with the next part. Pollination refers to, just read the options. What do you mean by pollination? Pollination refers to what?
Ma'am, C option is correct.
Transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. Children, you need to read it very, very carefully. Okay, C option is
C.
yes, answer is C. Transfer of pollen from anther to stigma is the right option. Yes, scroll down. Number 8 is seeds of drumstick and maple are carried to the long distances by wind because they possesses what type of seeds
A
they have?
winged seeds.
Yes,
Ma'am,
A is
air with seeds.
wing seeds. That's why they are carried by the wind. Okay. Nearly all clocks make use of straight line motion, periodic, random, circular motion.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
It's a periodic motion, and rest part of the this mock paper, children, will take tomorrow. Okay. Screen is visible to
Okay,
me,
ma'am.
even it's visible.
Yes, ma'am, now it's visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, 10th one would be 2.1 seconds.
2.1 second. Children, this
Yes,
question
ma'am,
number
the
10,
option.
here the digits has been changed. Rest the question is same. Same question as in your book. Okay. The question is same as in your book, only the digits has been changed. So you have to take care of this also. Rest will be continued.